not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, wishing all the viewers a happy Sankranthi. Welcome to Express Current Affairs. Now let us see the important topics covered from Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video in today's description below. If anybody needs the PDF link, do download it. Now let's start. Kanhaiya Kumar was booked under which of the section of the IPC in the Sedition Case? Section 377, Section 498A, Section 124A or Section 304B? The answer is C, Section 124A. From exam point of view, you need to remember each and every section that comes in news, very important. Section 124A talks about the sedition charges. Now what is a sedition? The conduct or speech inciting people to rebel against the authority of a state. Now whoever by words, either spoken or written, or by signs or by visible representation, attempts to bring into hatred the government established by law in India shall be punished. Now Kanhaiya Kumar along with two others who were the former JNU students accused of raising anti-Indian slogans 3 years ago. In the year 2016, the objectionable slogans were raised against the hanging of Parliament attack mastermind Afzal Guru. So remember, the section 124A talks about the sedition charges, very important. Encounter deaths is a serious issue, observes the Supreme Court of India, pertaining to which of the following state? Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar or Madhya Pradesh? The answer is B, Uttar Pradesh. 1100 police encounters have taken place in the state Uttar Pradesh under the Yogi Adityanath government. Last year itself, 45 people have died and 370 people have been injured in this police encounters. Recently, a public interest litigation has been filed by an NGO named People's Union for Civil Liberties. The petition says the state machinery choose to end lives instead of bringing people for the trial. The petition also says that you cannot just kill persons in the name of the police encounters but follow the procedures established by law. Now, Supreme Court of India observes in this case the encounter deaths is a serious issue that is happening in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The Supreme Court had asked the state government to file its response to the petition. Where is the Sagar Island located in India? Odisha, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh or Tamil Nadu? You should have minimum idea of the places located in India. Do not lose marks here. The answer is B, West Bengal. The Sagar Island is located in West Bengal. Now, on the occasion of Makar Sankranthi, the millions of devotees have arrived on Sagar Island to take a holy dip at the confluence of Ganga and the Bay of Bengal. Ardh Kumbh Mela 2019 had begun in which of the following places? Haridwar, Prayagraj, Ujjain, Nashik. The answer is B, Prayagraj. Ardh Kumbh Mela 2019 had begun in Prayagraj of Uttar Pradesh. Kumbh Mela is held every 12 years, whereas the Ardh Kumbh Mela is held every 6 years. Ardh Kumbh Mela had begun from today itself and it will continue till 4th of March 2019. Remember this point, very important. Earlier, Allahabad was renamed as Prayagraj by the government of Uttar Pradesh. Which day is celebrated every year on January 15th? Navy Day, Army Day, National Youth Day or NRI Day? The answer is B, Army Day. Army Day is celebrated every year on 15th of January in India in recognition of the Field Marshal Kodandera's taking over as the first Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army. Remember this point, very important. Who is the first Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army? It is the Kodandera. And Army Day marks a day to salute the soldiers who sacrificed their lives to protect the country and its citizens. In 2018, according to the stats given by the Army, the Indian Army lost almost 67 senior rank officers to suicide. Army takes the welfare steps to curb the suicides. Which of the following leader has conferred with the first ever Philip Kotler Presidential Award? Donald Trump, Narendra Modi, Vladimir Putin, Xi Jinping. The answer is B. Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi conferred with first ever Philip Kotler Presidential Award. This award focuses on 3 P's: people, profit and planet. Prime Minister Modi has been selected for the outstanding leadership for the nation. India crashes out of AFC Asian Cup 2019 after losing to which of the following country? United Arab Emirates, Thailand, Bahrain or China? The answer is C. Bahrain. India crashes out of the AFC Asian Cup 2019 after losing to Bahrain. India lose 0-1 to Bahrain and crashes out of the AFC Asian Cup 2019. One record you need to remember that India has made. After 55 years, India won its first match against Thailand. India won its last game in AFC Asian Cup in the year 1964 against Hong Kong. Which of the following Indian player appeared in men's single Australian Open 2019? Mahesh Bhupathi, Rohan Bopanna, Divij Sharan, Prajnesh Gunneswaran. The answer is D. Prajnesh Gunneswaran is the Indian tennis player who appeared in men's single Australian Open 2019. 109th ranked Indian tennis player Prajnesh Gunneswaran. Now this was his first ever Grand Slam appearance in Australian Open 2019. Prajnesh crashed out of the tournament in the first round itself, defeated by the American Francis Tiafoe. Question for the day. India pledged to end single use of plastic by the end of which year? 2020, 2021, 2022 or 2024? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Which of the following state has the maximum number of Lok Sabha constituencies? This is a very important question as 2019 Lok Sabha general elections are ahead. Expect a question from this area. The options are Maharashtra, West Bengal, Bihar or Uttar Pradesh. The answer is D. Uttar Pradesh, as rightly answered by many people in the comment section. Uttar Pradesh has the maximum number of Lok Sabha constituencies. Remember the number, it has 80 Lok Sabha seats. Very important. Followed by Maharashtra, West Bengal and Bihar. Remember the states along with their number of seats. Very important. Let's see the quote for the day. Believe you deserve it and the universe will serve it. First thing you need to do is believe in yourself because no one else will do it for you. You might have many negative thoughts like impossible to crack a government exam. Just don't give up. Believe that you can and you will for sure one day. This is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.